equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 316 IRU8. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. To do this, gently pull the connector straight out. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. After removing the old battery, take your new battery and place it in the same position. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Then, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Now, use the Phillips screwdriver to reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws. Finally, give your laptop a quick clean on the outside to remove any fingerprints or smudges. If you're not comfortable performing this task, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop's care. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.